How to add another Gmail account to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. The Gmail app allows users to access and manage their Gmail accounts, including sending, receiving, and organizing emails. The app also offers options for customizing settings, managing multiple accounts, and utilizing smart features like Smart Compose. On this page, you can view all your emails on Google. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Here, tap on Add Another Account at the bottom if you want to add another Gmail account. Then, select Google. Tap on Continue. Now, type in your email address over here. After that, tap on Next to proceed. Then, complete all the steps required to add this account to your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily add another Gmail account to iPhone.